Good morning, Dodo Bird and Treehouse Garden here. She's in the garden by herself because she was getting beat up by the other hen, so she's just living out her final days in the glory of the garden by herself. She's blind, so she has a hard time getting around. Anyway, I thought I'd show you my Delicata Squash again. I seem to brag about these a lot. I'm just really happy with them, and they seem to really be liking growing vertical again this year, but this time I have a much better production. I have been diligent on fertilizing them every single 2 weeks. Good morning, Dodo Bird. And as you can see, I have quite a few Delicata Squash coming. This plant, one plant right here, has 4 squash. Now they do take a long time to grow and get ripe, and I'll show you the progress. So we've got at least 2 or 3 more weeks before these will be ready to pick. But the entire row is looking healthy and has lots of little baby Delicata Squash growing. And again, I just go in and I force those vines up the tomato cages. I actually did, as I mentioned before, use a little bit of soft yarn to get them to grab on a little bit better. Oh, good morning! Can you say good morning to everybody? Alright guys, hope you have a really great day, and don't forget to water early and stay cool.